In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email templates with Gmail in 2025. This is a fantastic way to save time and ensure consistency. Whether you're handling personal communications or managing emails for your business, if you find yourself sending the same type of email over and over, templates can really streamline your workflow. So let's dive in and set up your email templates together. First, open Gmail on your computer. It's important to be on your desktop or laptop for this, as the mobile app doesn't support all the features we'll be using. Once you've logged into your account, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a gear-shaped icon. Click on this settings icon. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down, choose See All Settings. This will lead you to a more in-depth view of your Gmail settings where we can make the necessary adjustments to enable templates. Once you're there, navigate to the Advanced tab. It used to be called Labs in older versions of Gmail, but now it's rightfully labeled as Advanced because this is where you can unlock some powerful features that Gmail offers. Now scroll down the page until you find an option labeled Templates. Templates are a really effective way to standardize your emails. You'll want to enable this feature to start using it. To do that, simply click on the Enable option next to Templates. It's straightforward and ensures that you're activating the feature. You'll know it's enabled when you see a dot marker next to it. After enabling templates, make sure you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. It may seem like a small step, but this ensures that all your changes are locked in. Gmail will then reload, which may take a few seconds. But no worries, this is perfectly normal. Once Gmail has reloaded, you're all set and templates are now officially turned on. You'll see a confirmation marked with a check or another visual indicator. From here, you can start creating and managing your own custom templates, making your email communication efficient and consistent. By following these steps, you've just set yourself up to save loads of time with email management. Whether you're crafting marketing emails or just want to send quick, personalized responses, templates are a valuable tool in your Gmail arsenal. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your tech